Kill that signal right on there. Watch this one.
First one did it right.
Yeah, you might both do it.
I liked how he came over and just parachuting.
In,
Just
yeah.
parachuting, you know?
That's cool.
These look better.
Promising.
Kill him, guys, kill him.
Oh yeah, I got blue lights.
Dang, they just want up to the right a little too far.
Should have been raining.
I hear more.
More's coming on the back.
Ooh, there's a real small one in there. Yeah, that's probably the best to eat, though, I'd imagine. What do you think? Don't you think?
Might be hard.
Right in your mouth. Right in your mouth.
Really cutting them in there. Right here, guys, right here. Kill him, kill him, kill him.
That's raining.
That was cool as fuck, that video.
There's,
and I'm
1,
blinking.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out there.
Yep, yep. Hey, they just want to.
Wow, they wanted to sit. Hell yeah.
6? Yeah.
Yep.
Nice.
Too dry to know.
Right here, right in your face. These three. Just shoot one. Right here, right in your face.
So these three.
Those birds. This one. This one.
Right. Kill him, guys, kill him.
Triple tapped him.
Nice shot.
Jay, did you see how I hit him 3 times? Did you see how I hit him 3 times?
Yeah. I did.
I hit mine 3 times.
Kill that parrot. Kill that parrot.
Nice.
Oh!
Okay.
Took the hit.
Billy. Nice shot.
Look at that
Awesome.
long shot. That was nice.
That was the old man.
That was a long
Was that
shot.
50 fucking yards?
50 yards.
Kill these three guys. Kill these three. Oh, that one.
Woo!
Oh, look at
That
him.
one's going down.
Yep. Oh,
Boom! Down!
yes.
Got it!
Nice work, guys.
Oh, Jimmy, shoot that runner!
Yeah, shoot
Get that runner, Jimmy! Hold on, Jimmy. No! Okay, get him, Jay. Oh,
Hey.
leg shot!
Heck yeah, guys.
Leg-
Nice work.
Sweep this leg!
Whoa! Sweeped him.
Sweep the leg.
Aye.
Fun.
Yes!
Woo! Nice work, Bo. All right.
Fuck yes.
Nice work, guys.
West Texas.
All right, decoys all picked up already. Here's our line for the morning. Stack of cranes. Woo. Quick look at our blind again. Field we're in. Whew, good morning. Whew. Cleanup time. Hitting the road now. I'm gonna breast out some of them. Already started, so let's breast them out together. All right, just got my pocket knife with me today. Let's try this. Oh, let's rip it. Oh, yeah. All right, there's some breast if you can see it.
Are these bags done?
Yep.
It's like, tag these then.
Just put the tag inside. Call it good.
Yeah, a little bit of fat.
Check that out, guys. Woo! Nice big
Steak
breast
right
right there.
Yeah.
Little ribeye steak. The ribeye of the sky.
Take some of that trash. I want to hit some.
We're gonna hit it at the ranch for sure.
What?
Take it to the ranch for sure.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Yeah, we'll keep it fresh, obviously. I'm so glad. Like, oh, yeah, to transport fucking 30 wings home. Like, oh, I need nice just for the wing.
Alright, that guy's got the pile started here. Alright, got 4 more birds to do.
So this bag needs one more.
Yep. This is the first one killed, I think. Yeah, only juvie. No, that's not a juvie. We got 1 juvie. The rest adults. Let's see how small the juvie is when I clean them.
Nice. That's, and plus you actually got some meat to cut into. It's not like trying to little teal or something. There's some actual meat to cut through.
Alright, another breast.
That's a little header right there.
Yeah, nice little thick chunk of steak right there.
Sized legs.
Yeah.
Probably some good leg meat on there.
Yeah.
If you felt like haggling it off.
Right. Yeah. Definitely got some.
It's a nice drum though.
Last
Yeah.
bird.
Your protection limit's 9, obviously. So when I go to Arkansas towards the end of the season, I'll take